welcome back to Missologist. So now we're going to be making the Bloodiest Guava, because in the last video we made the Bloody Guava, and this is slightly more complex because I add Salerno to it, which is liqueur, blood orange liqueur. Now you could substitute this with another orange liqueur if you have one. Cointreau, which I keep calling Cointreau, but apparently that's not what it's called. Cointreau, triple sec, you know, any of your orange ones. But the difference is this has peel and juice in it. You're gonna get much more of a blood orange flavor, and that's what I was going for with this drink, as well as when I make the blood orange margarita. I want more of that blood orange flavor, so that's why I started using that. But it is hard to find, so I don't blame you if you use something else not being able to find it. So we're gonna do the Bloodiest Guava now, and we're gonna start with the lemon. If you've seen my other videos, you know why. The lemon is the cheapest ingredient. And if we make a mistake for any reason, we don't want to waste our precious gin. So, resisting the urge to make a Lord of the Rings joke right now. I'm precious. But anyway, I'm not that obsessed with gin. An ounce of lemon juice. Next, we're gonna take our marmalade, our blood orange guava. I'm gonna shake it a bit because, you know, it can separate. And we're gonna put an ounce of that in. Now we're doing the liqueur and the gin. It doesn't matter which one you use first. So I usually do the gin first. Okay. And then we're gonna do the Salerno. Liqueurs tend to be very strong in flavor because they're literally just juice and peel or some kind of fruit or something with alcohol. That's what a liqueur is. It's just a stronger version of whatever they're creating. So you'll find liqueurs for everything. You'll find raspberry liqueur, blood orange liqueur, you know, just all kinds. Again, I just really like this one because it tastes like blood orange, and that's what I was going for. So we're gonna put some ice cubes in, about 3 or 4. I generally put 4 in just because I like to make sure it's got enough ice. And we're going to shake, 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 shake some more. Okay, so we put it in the coupe glass. This one does not look that different from a Bloody Guava, and you know, it shouldn't because Salerno is clear. But as you can see, it's a bit more liquid, obviously, because we added half an ounce more of liqueur. In terms of taste, the Bloody Guava is a little bit sweeter, more subtle. This is gonna be a very strong blood orange flavor because I added the Salerno. But I like that, and so that's why it's really good. It hits you with the orange. You can taste a bit of lemon juice, like a bit of tartness, but very little. And you cannot taste the gin at all. It's just really delicious. It's got a lot of depth. It's got a lot of flavor, refreshing. It'd be a great drink to serve at a Halloween party. It's just really, really good. We have one more drink to make, and we will make it, and that one is gonna be the Mike Myers, also known as the Blackberry Bramble, but I changed the name to make it Halloween themed. So yeah, stay tuned.